Hello and happy rainy Thursday. Today's Make It at Home is magnetic poetry. In your supply kit, you have the directions, and in the bag, you will find a gel pen, adhesive magnet strips, and paper. Depending on which bag you get, the color will change. They're not labeled. And you'll also have a white sheet if you decide you don't like this color. And on the back of the directions sheet is a list of word suggestions. You obviously do not have to use them, but they're there. You can also go on the internet and search for poetry kit word lists and find your own if you decide to. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is decide which paper you want to go with. I'm going to go with the purple. And you're going to peel the protective backing off the back of the strips. There's 6 strips here, but we're going to go ahead and peel the backing off of all of them. And then you're going to put the paper on the sticky part and press it down. If you're using the white paper, you can decorate it if you'd like. It's up to you. Okay. So once that's firmly on there, you can use scissors or a craft knife to cut the excess paper off. And obviously, if you're using a craft knife, make sure you've got something protective underneath your work surface so you're not scratching the table. So once that's cut, you're going to gently break apart your strips. Like I said, there were 6. There you go. And you'll notice that the paper is still attached. So again, you can take your craft knife or scissors and run it in between. Until it comes apart. So this is the height of your magnet pieces. You can decide to use the whole width for a single word, or what I ended up doing was using half of the width for the words. That way I could get more on there. It's up to you, however you guys decide you want to do that. So we're going to look at the word suggestions here, and I'm going to do, like I said, half. And if you run your thumb down that strip, you'll start to see where the center is, or close to it anyway. Alright, so we're going to start using the gel pen. And if you don't want to use a gel pen, you can obviously use whatever writing utensil you'd like. We're going to do Believe, Magic, Store, right. And then you're going to take your scissors and cut the magnet strip so that the words are on individual pieces. So there you go. You've got your poetry kit going. And you can store that in whatever container you like. I just put mine in one of the little condiment cups that we usually hand out. But you can put it in recycled mint tin if you'd like. It's up to you guys. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to pick up your kit in the Yaz. Have a great day.